I'm playing Trolleys a Spinning Tower now because a few minutes ago I said we were playing Trolleys a Spinning Tower, but instead of Trolleys a Spinning Tower, we played Rival. So yeah, we're gonna play it now. Bro, that girl is a cocomelon. Bro, you did, guys. You didn't see nothing, guys. You didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing. I did it for like. It's just lag. It's just lag. Nah. Well, that was easy. Oh my god, I almost died. Bro, that was literally... I almost... Nah, I'm just gonna finish that. Nah, just kidding. Okay, let's troll. And see if there's a man. I am gonna troll today. Because I want, don't mind me. And also, follow me or add me. Just follow me, guys. Follow my account and you can join. I won't troll anymore. Okay, I'm gonna say in the chat. That boy just teleported. But I just said from the last one. Who is it? Why are they teleporting? Nah, just kidding. Their Wi-Fi is off. Nah, bro. No. Okay. Facebook can wall happen. Bruh. Look. See, I just like jump. Bro. Wee! My god. Hope I can wall happen. Look. What? Very bad timing, guys. Bad timing.
Welcome back to my cookie.
If someone knows
Welcome back after my cookie.
you can follow me and... Nah, they are using like...
Learn that technique. Learn that technique, bro.
Okay,
Lord, you don't know the technique. Lord doesn't know the technique. How do why do you think you're him?
Wolf! Bruh! That was embarrassing. I'm literally like lying. If there's a troller, I'm gonna take out. Nah! Bro! She just fell for no reason, bro. Like... Oh! Someone is literally trolling them. Nah, bro. Oh, they are having a party. They are having a party right here. Let's see if we have voice chat. Hello! Hello! I am making a YouTube video.
Take my VC away. Take it.
Bruh, it's tags. Be right back. They're having a party, right? Yee! That the moon, bruh. Let's play wall hack. Bruh. What is that?
Oi, you wanna wish me? You wanna race?
Let's play wall hack now. This is my favorite one. We are in the game right now. Oh yeah. I am exposing this. Bruh. Most of them don't know that. Okay. So I'm just exposing it. I just found out because type command but commands, not admin, not live. Yeah, I saw in the chat and I don't know, I just typed in /Roblox and it actually worked. Yeah. So I'm smart. Whee! This is easy. Brody, that was lag right there, guys. That girl is literally knows how to wall hack. This is literally, guys, do you know how to ladder fake? Well, I do. Bro! Guys, did you see that? It is that. Bro, it's literally not. Bro! Bro, did I'm just gonna skip. Well, that was unexpected. Oh, that was literally lag because there um I'm I'm a but what's that? Ready? Woo boy boy. Whew, I almost fell down. Okay, if I fall right there, I'm just gonna take it. Okay, if I fall right here, the video ends. If I actually fall, the video ends. So yeah. That's pure lag. There we go. Okay, that's ladder flick. I know how to do it. Just watch. Hey, baby, no. See? So you need 3 fingers to. Nah, bruh. Nah, there's admin. I think it's gonna be bad because the last server there's literally like a hacker. Yeah, I was right. It was a hacker and the the whole map was literally red and everything was not. It was like was like only the void, but that is like little parts. So, okay, the video ends. Bye bye, guys. See you soon. So, peace.